going on, guys? Welcome back. Episode of POTL Vlogs. On this episode of Will It Daily, we're going to see if the 89 Celica is going to pass Smog. It's been on the back burner for a little bit. Summer's been super busy. Matter of fact, roll the highlight clip. But since last time, a whole bunch of stuff done on the Celica. Quick recap. There she is. We redid timing belt, water pump, valve cover gasket, transmission fluid flush, radiator flush. We replaced the transmission governor so it shifts out of gears. Replaced the coolant temp sensor. Got some new tires on it. So essentially, I'm pretty sure, I'm like 90% sure that this is gonna pass Smog. So let's go get some gas. Head to that Smog shop. Alright, we made it out here. It's a high-tech Smog. It's like one of two people where I live that still Smog OBD1 cars. Last time I was here, my coolant temp sensor literally broke, like middle of the test, like during the test. The coolant temp sensor just died and my idle got all fucked up. Check engine light came on, so we had to abort. He was nice enough to like not charge me that time, but we're back for redemption. And I'm feeling pretty confident. All right, it's finally hooked up on the dyno, getting close. Probability, I'm standing on it, 95% this thing passes. All right, it's been running for a while and I'm gonna go ask him, see what the Smog master thinks. First reaction and prediction from him, let's see.
But I checked from my side, everything was okay from my side.
Everything looks okay from your side? What happened, bro? We passed?
Yeah.
Hey! Alright, sitting after 5 years. That boy passed. Alright, we've done it. Celica officially passed Smog. Solid daily driver. It's been a dope journey, for sure. Changing the parts, getting this thing running right. It's finally legal to drive. It's kind of juiced. So, if you're in the Fairfield area and you got an old car that you need Smog, you gotta come see Sing. High-tech Smog, 525 Taylor Street, Fairfield, California. Now I'm gonna drive without checking my rearview mirror all the time. Until then, keep driving those slow cars fast. Pass on the left.